Hey, Dad. Dad, good morning. Look who got up. You called this morning? I woke up at 4 a.m. Come on, buddy. It's almost noon. Have some breakfast. Look what I made. Wow. So much food. The thing is, I'm not hungry. As a matter of fact, I'm not hungry at all. What do you mean you're not hungry? You have to eat something, right? You're gonna leave it over here? I had to fry the nuts. I had to bake the muffins, pick the fresh strawberries. I smoked the ham. Wow, really? I even have to press the juice, goddammit. Wow, that's crazy. I'm still not hungry. Whatever. Well, I gotta go for school, Dad. And don't forget to prepare a snack for Cody, okay? Wait! I made you lunch. Here you go. Wow, thanks, Dad. And I hope you won't be slacking off again in the school. Yeah, Dad. Don't you worry. You know me. Yeah. Anyways, what's your program today, Dad? What you gonna do? Me? Me? Buddy, I got a full day. I gotta cook lunch. I gotta work. I gotta schedule some business meetings, right? And, you know, the business stuff, you know? And, you know, and stuff like that, you know. I'm totally busy, son. Just go so you don't come late. What are you going to do? I'm gonna go and take the shit. Die, you motherfucker! Whatever. Hey, Dad, I'm back for school. Dad, are you kidding me? And what's that smell? I'm gonna start cooking lunch. Could you please keep an eye on it for me? Just for a while. Okay? Hey, Dad! What? What? Well, maybe if you don't stand there like an idiot and help me over there with it.